Okay, students. Next question. Next question. Hello. Hello. Echo. Okay, students. Next question. HCl plus BaOH twice is given to you. I am providing you. This one is 2 liter. This one is 500 ml. Okay. pH also given. pH is equal to 3. pOH is equal to pH is equal to 3. pOH also 3. Find out overall T. Sixteenth question. Not a J main question. Common question. These both HCl or did you get it? No, I will help you. Listen me. Do it, students. I will help you. Okay, actually. What happened? Here pH is given. So, what about the H plus ion concentration? 10 to the power minus 3. In this case, H plus ion concentration is given. Okay, level here 500 ml you want to convert into liter. Okay. Then what do you want to do? So volume is given. So number of moles equal to number of moles. Concentration is given. So number of moles 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. That is equal to number of moles. Similarly, you can do this one. Here OH minus concentration is given. No, okay, no problem. OH and is equal to 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. Then before that N is equal to how many? Okay. Before that M is equal to N by V, na student. Okay. So here we can easily substitute number of moles equal to So number of moles of OH minus ion, we can find out number of moles of OH minus ion equal to M into V. So here 10 to the power minus 3 into we can write 500 upon 1000 like this. This only possible. How to convert ml into liter like this. Okay. Then what about this result? Tell me. Did you do the same thing? Okay. N you got this one. You are telling what? No. Okay. Total number of moles. Yeah, sure. So 2 into yes. 2 into this one because 2 OH is there. Okay. Then where is your problem? Answer and I will tell. Answer H plus ion concentration is near about 3 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Got it? H plus ion? Not total. You got it? Okay, good. Students, do it by yourself. These are the data for you. Array H plus ion concentration means N by V na? Okay. Okay. So N is equal to total number of moles is given 3. You are telling that 3 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by volume. Volume? 5 by 2. We can do 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 enough. So 2 get cancelled. 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 into 10 to the power. This is you got? You got it? Yeah, not 3 by 2. This is the step. Okay, so 3 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 you will get. Okay, then you can arrange them. Na? So how you will find out? Suppose this task is very difficult for you. So you want to convert it into any other format like a log 6 form is it possible. So you can multiply it and divide by 2. Just do it. Huh? Then what about the answer? If you have that idea, no problem. But log 6 anyway 6 divided by 10 into, look now, this is my term. Look. If I am doing like this, 10 to the power minus, okay, if you know the result, log 3, log 2, whatever that result, then okay. Otherwise, what you will do? You can do now like this. Suppose you 2 by 2, multiply and divide by 2, then you will 6 by 10, upper side you will get 6 into 10 to the minus 4, then you can add, apply logarithmic form. Log 6, you want to lay, log AB na, AB form. So, 4 into log 6 form. So, again, 2 square, any manner you can do now. 2 log 2 into 2, 3 form. Anyway, this is the final format of answer. 4 into log 2 into log 2 value and log 3 value, if you know, multiply, you will get the result. Answer you want to check? No answer. 4 into log 2, 0.3. 0.3. Sorry? Log AB, log A plus C. Correct. Sorry, then log A is log, 0.2 plus 0.5. What about your result? So what about your result? 3 point something, na? Correct? Got it? Oh, hi, I'm telling that you got the result. 3.2. Okay, this much only the mixed acid related acid base related problem. Practice at home. Simple only. That portions are over almost. Okay. Now I am entering into the next section, that is salt area. Salt. What do you mean by salt? Salt and salt hydrolysis. Very important. first topic of today's question. Important. Three by two. Last question 3 by 2 means total number of amount of liter hai na? That is 3 by 2 na? Can you recheck the question once again? 3 by 2 is moles na? Okay. Vinit, can you recheck the question? 3 by 2 is the total mole. So 5 by 2 is the liter. 5 by 2 is the volume and 3 by 2 is the total number of moles. Okay Vinit, do it yourself. Repeated question, same pattern. Next one is salt. Salt hydrolysis. So, how the formation of salt? As is. You waiting for my reply, na? NaOH. Okay. Do it from that problem and come to this theory. This is acid. Reacted with the base, definitely will form NaCl plus the water. So this is called water salt. Okay. So today we want to study the behavior of salt. After that, very important section, that is salt hydrolysis. Okay. With the help of pH finding. Same. Some common criteria for salt. Salt positive part also there. Salt have a positive part is there, negative part. Suppose in NaCl, Na plus is the positive part and the Cl, cathode, anode, you know, cation anion formation. Then acidic solution. The salt solution may be acidic or basic or neutral form also available. Salt basic solution we can prepare as well as neutral solution. Then mainly salt are crystalline solid form. Main salt are in the form of crystalline form only. Then next classification of salt. We can classify the salt can be simple salt, double salt, complex salt, mixed salt. Simple, double salt, complex salt, mixed salt. Okay, these are the different classification of salt. Okay, the simple, double salt, complex salt, mixed salt. These are the different classification. Mixed salt, 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 salt. Short note. Okay, before entering into a salt session, you want to know some basics related to salt atmosphere. So these are the things. Okay, so simple salt means simple neutralization process. A salt is formed how? A neutralization reaction. It is acid-base reaction. So simple like NaCl, NaNO3, K2SO, potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, potassium phosphate. These are the example for simple salt. For example, familiar example KCl, NaCl. These are simple salt. Simple acid-base neutralization reaction. You will get a simple salt here. Next one is double salt. So double salt form combination of two simple salt. Two simple salt combination will lead to double salt. Alright. Okay. Suppose simple salt like FeSO4, FeSO parasulfate, FeSO4 is a simple salt. Okay. These two or more simple salt are combining together form a double salt. Okay. Example, Fe ammonium sulfate is also a simple salt, suppose. Then is a double salt means example FeSO4, SO4 in bracket, NH4 of twice SO4, then 6H2O water. What about the meaning? Parasulfate is a simple salt. Then NH4 of twice SO4 is another simple salt. Combination we will get it double. Oh, anyway, simple salt again classified into acidic salt, acidic, basic, neutral form. Okay, neutral condition. So anyway, this is double salted. Complex salt, you want to study in coordination chemistry, like complex, coordination complex. Okay. Suppose K4, Fe, CnO6. This is a complex salt because in a square bracket they can represent. So K plus, how they are dissociated, you know? For K plus plus, Fe, Cn, 4 minus. This is the dissociation of this complex salt. Okay. What about the difference between simple salt? Only Fe this much only. Okay. But a complex salt, they are represented by outside there is a metal, potassium or any sodium or any metal. Inside also one more metal, Fe is another metal that is surrounded by another group of atoms. So this entire is called coordination complex. You want to study in inorganic chemistry. I will teach you remaining time. So coordination complex is a complex ion. Okay. Then mixed salt is also there, CaOCl2. CaOCl2. Calcium is there. Okay. In the middle, OCl, Cl. This is the mixed salt. Actually, which is use more than one cation or more than one anion. Okay. Which dissolved in water is called mixed salt. More than one cation or more than one anion. Look now student, suppose calcium, here one Cl, 2 Cl is there. So we can liberate 2 anions, Cl minus Cl minus. Similarly, this is in the case of anion, 2 anion. At a time 2 anion can form. Are you getting my point? This one. At a time 2 anion, more than one anion or cation liberating, that type of salts are called mixed salt. Actually, these for general viewpoint, that much only. Okay, another example, NaNH4, HPO4. NaNH4, HPO4. This is also another salt. Okay. Actually, how it representing? PO4 is their center. Then H, NH4, then Na. These are the representation. Here 2 cation, Na is a cation. NH4 plus is also a cation. At a time 2 cation possibility. Here Cl minus anion form. Okay, so once again I will tell the definition. Mixed salt means the salt which furnish more than one cation or more than one anion when dissolved in water is called mixed salt. When it is dissolved in water, will form more than one anion or more than one cation. That type of salt are called what? Mixed salt. Complex salt means these can be expressed in a complex. Okay. Outside there is a metal. Inside also metal with the ligand is surrounding. You will study in coordination complex. Double salted 2 type of simple salts are combining together and forming a combined salt form, that is called a double salt. These are very simple salt, the familiar salts. This is clear? Now we can start problem. Not small introductions also there. Let us start. This is the salt definition as well as category. Can I rub the board, students? Sejal, Vineet, Shreya, Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am.
we are going to study about salt hydrolysis. This is the highlight of today's class. Very important. This symbol now stands for important in my point of view. Okay. Finish? Okay. For example, NaCl is simple salt, right? Is dissociated from Na plus OH minus. Sorry, Cl minus. Cl minus, right. So definition of salt hydrolysis this much only. Listen. When salt undergo dissociation, it will form salt ion. Right? That salt ion has a tendency to react with water. That process is called what? Salt hydrolysis. Okay, once again. Okay, Vinith. Salt hydrolysis is much only salt ion, how they combine with the water. Okay, water means water containing H plus ion or OH minus ion, right? Both ions are there. So how salt hydrolysis means how salt ions are combined with H plus or OH minus ion of water. This process is called what? Or water is called what? Salt hydrolysis. You want to clear, you want to clarify, if you have any doubt, with the help of this statement everything becomes clear. This is the basic of the upcoming section. Salt ion, how they are combined with the water containing 2 ion OH minus as well as H plus ion, how they are combining together, then how they form products, as well as with the help of that dissociation how we can find out the pH. Major injection after salt hydrolysis, we want to find the pH. This is also our target. Okay. This much clear, Sejal? Vinith, Shreya, Sanjana. Okay. Now I am moving to the category of salt hydrolysis can be classified as depending upon the nature of acid base should be there. No? Are you getting me? Then only salt will form. So there can be classified into first one strong acid, strong base category is there. Strong acid, weak base category is there. Weak acid, strong base category is there. Fourth one, weak acid, weak base categories are available in the salt hydrolysis. Okay, students. So salt, acid plus base combined together only forms base. Sorry, salt. So that strong acid, strong base combination, strong acid, weak base combination, weak acid, strong base combination, and weak acid, weak base combination. Okay. But one more important point. These three only undergo salt hydrolysis. Strong acid, strong base never form hydrolysis. It will never form hydrolysis, but it is undergo hydrolysis. Why? You have a confusion. You want to prove. So this much only again repeating. Strong acid, strong base never under. One more thing. During your option, while any question they are setting maybe, they will give you 2-3 set of strong acid, strong base, weak acid, strong base like category. Out of that, they will ask a question. There possibility which set will undergo salt hydrolysis. So what do you want to do? Try to identify which one is strong acid, strong base category, just eliminate it. That is your answer. That's why I am giving you this clue. Very, very important. Clear? So it will only undergo salt hydrolysis. Why? Why? Why not strong acid, strong base? We want to prove it. We want to prove. Why not? Yes, so strong acid and strong base. For example, students, for strong acid, strong base category, we can take an example, HCl. Listen me. Now listen me, everybody. HCl is a strong acid. NaOH is a strong base. After the combination, we will get NaCl plus H2O, water, no doubt. So you will get a salt. Okay, now concentrate only for that salt. How they are dissociated? NaCl will dissociated into Na plus plus Cl minus. Then now you can do H2O molecule also dissociating will form H plus OH minus ion. Okay, this much clear? These are the dissociation possible ions present in the aqueous solution. That solution contains this much ion will possible. Okay, suppose, what about the definition? The salt ions, how they interacted with OH minus, Na plus, sorry, H plus ion. We are taking that one. That is called salt hydrolysis. So salt containing Na plus ion as well as Cl minus ion. How these two ions are interacted with the H plus and OH minus. We are checking now, one by one. First we can take out Na plus ion. Interacted with the, of course, OH minus ion, H plus. OH minus ion, we will get what, students? NaOH. Are you getting my point? So tell me, Na plus plus OH minus gives NaOH. Reversible reaction also possible. But Na can be dissociated into Na plus plus OH minus. Last class we discussed. Listen me, very, very important. So in our last class we discussed through NaOH is a strong base. Strong base will completely dissociated into Na plus OH without no doubt. So alpha value equal to 1. So we can say that this equilibrium mainly shifted towards the left side with 99% yield. Am I right? But this Na plus ion will dissociate only 1% only. Now getting my point. Main salt hydrolysis means how Na plus reacted with OH minus ion. So this combination will NaOH will get only 1%. Is it working out? Salt hydrolysis will not work. But ulta it become possible. But we found salt hydrolysis means what? Salt ions are the combination. Salt ion plus water ion will combine together. So in this kind of direction only 1% only form. Reverse direction 99% will form. So that it is a strong area, strong category, strong acid. Strong ion will never participate in the salt hydrolysis. Clear? This is very important. So now you got the idea. Both are strong will never work out. In any that pair area, one should be weak. Then only this kind of salt hydrolysis will become formed. Otherwise, strong will what they will do? One. This direction it will show 90%. In that direction it will show only 1%. So this is the result why strong acid and strong base will not participate in the salt hydrolysis. Clear? Clear? Sanjana, Sejal, Vineet. Clear? What I told you, why not strong acid, strong base? Is it clear? Okay. Vineet? Okay. Sanjana clear, Tejas clear. Okay, Vinny also clear. I'm happy. So this is the result. Now it will not participate, but these remaining three will participate. So we want to find out these kind of relationships. Finally, we will degree of dissociation. We want to find out pH. We want to find out individual. So let us start one by one. After that, yes, we need repeat again. Okay, we need listen me. We need why not a strong acid, strong base never participating in the salt hydrolysis. This is our confusion. So for that purpose, we took two strong acid base pairs. They are HCl and NaOH respectively. After that, you will get NaCl as a salt, strong salt. This salt will dissociate into Na plus Cl minus form. Then we are adding it into hydrolysis is a process. Hydrolysis means presence of water. So water also providing H plus OH minus ion. Then after that what happened? We are checking the possibility. One more possibility we can check. Now chlorine also we didn't check. We want to check. So chlorine Na plus OH minus combining together from NaOH. But according to the dissociation, NaOH is a strong base. That's why dissociation becomes complete dissociated. So that Na plus OH minus possibility is only 1%, but NaCl can convert it into Na plus OH minus in a higher yield. So 99% will do like this. So Na plus OH minus will never participate in the hydrolysis because it cannot be dissociated into it will not participate. Na plus OH minus combination after that 1% only yield. That's why. So this is we can avoid this direction we will choose. So at a time we are looking forward iron how they react with OH minus now. So it is not possible. So that salt hydrolysis also is not possible. This is the reason. Clear? We can start. One more thing, students. Why not you didn't ask me chlorine? Chlorine. Same now. Why? Because chlorine reacted with the tell me students. Chlorine reacted with the H plus. So then what happened? HCl will form. HCl is what? What about the nature of HCl? Strong acid. So degree of dissociation becomes what? 1 in maximum dissociation. So HCl has a tendency to dissociate into Cl minus and H plus minus. But 99% of. But reconversion of H plus Cl minus is a very risky task in present. Okay. So means Cl minus risky task. That's it. Only 1% similar to NaOH, HCl, and both are strong. That's why. We are moving to strong acid, weak base concept. After that, weak acid, strong base. Then last, weak acid, strong base. Very, very important. Note down each and everything with a square bracket equation. That will helpful for you while solving the problem. Okay. In this chapter, students, salt hydrolysis is very important. Next one is common ion effect. We already discussed, but with the help of more example, I want to explain more. So, common ion effect is there. Buffer solution is there. Acidic buffer, basic buffer, very important. Common ion effect is buffer solution, ionic equilibrium. Sorry, not ionic. Ionic product. Ionic product of water. These three portions are pending. After that, solution will cover. Entire solution. Chemical, not solution. Equilibrium. Ionic equilibrium plus chemical equilibrium. We did. Next one may be thermodynamics. No? Very interesting. That is very interesting conceptualized. Concepts are more there. Problems are very little bit, but concepts more. Here problems are more. When is your public exam? Board exam, huh? Month of April. 23rd start. Chemistry may be May. So you will continue here up to April. April beginning only. You will be here, na? You always here. Okay, but Dhruv, okay, but I don't know, within now 15 days only remaining, right? Within 15 days I want to cover thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, then inorganic portions are also pending. So what you will do? Just spend 1-2 hours for this lecture. Maybe it will take time, April half. Okay, let us start. Topic weak acid is starting from weak acid plus strong base combination in the initial step. Weak acid, strong base. First step. Students, listen me. The same procedures are repeating for strong acid plus weak base. Similarly, for weak acid plus weak base condition, same steps are repeating. That's why listen for one. Okay. So you know that weak acid. Can you give an example? Like formic acid is a weak acid. HCOOH. Formic acid. Okay. This formic acid is reacted with the NaOH. Suppose sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Right? Then what about the salt form? H. This is the degree of dissociation. So dissociation is the form. HCOO minus. H plus form. Na plus form. OH minus form. Okay. So what happens? HCOO Na plus H2O. Salt plus water is sure now every time. So this is the salt. Clear? Then now with the help of that salt. Okay. This is the salt H HCOO minus plus Na plus. With the help of this, what they will do? Reacted with water. Right. So HCOO Na reacted with water. Same is repeating. But what type of ions are forming? HCOO minus ion plus Na plus ion plus H plus ion plus OH minus ion. This much clear? Listen me, what I am telling. Na plus H plus OH minus ions are creating. Then what happens, students? Here Na is there, HCOO minus is there. These are the salt of given from respectively their acid base salt. First we can try with the Na plus. Na plus will react with the ions of water. Which one? OH minus. Is it possible? This is not possible. Why? Same procedure we did. Because this is strong in nature. Strong will 99% become forming in this form. But in this form only 1%. So this is not possible. This will never, does not undergo what? Salt hydrolysis. lysis. Why? You know, no need to explain it again. Then which ion is remaining now? Let's check. HCOO minus reacted with H. What will form? HCOOH. HCOOH. What about the nature? HCOO minus is a weak in nature. So it can easily converted into the form. This kind of dissociation is difficult. It is weak, na? Weak will partially dissociated, na? So here 99% we will get in the forward direction. In the reverse direction only 1% only. So it participate in salt hydrogen. This much clear? Revise again. What are the? You can copy it. Not 1%, around 5% is possibility. Okay, 95% only left. So then no problem. We can compare now. This much 95%, reverse back only 5%. This is the first step. Steps are pending. You can copy it. Very, very important. Copy it. Now we decided out of this will undergo salt hydrolysis. Next one, equation of hydrolysis. We want to prepare an equation. Equation of hydrolysis. We want to prepare an equation of hydrolysis. Okay, students. How we will prepare an equation for hydrolysis? How? What do you want to do? Look now. After that, you understood that this is good for hydrolysis. Then this one, equation of hydrolysis. That's the same repetition for next pair also. That's way. Listen. So next one is this HCOO minus will combine with water and forming HCOOH OH minus. What type of solution is this? After that, this salt will undergo what type of nature of solution is this? Basic nature or acidic nature? Why basic nature? Because this ion reacted with what? Bronsted base, acid, Lewis base, everything. You got the idea. Then water reacted with that, the OH minus ion is liberated. That's why it is basic in nature. Basic in nature. Because at aqueous solution it liberates OH minus ion. This HCOO minus is basic in nature. Okay. Weak acid, strong base. So we can say pH is greater than 7. Right? Basic. pH should be greater than 7. These are the conclusion. Now, you get the thing. Same manner we already follow, like product divided by reactant. So, you will get a rate constant. But here, hydrolytic constant you will get. That is KH. KH equal to, can you tell? KH is equal to concentration of COOH into concentration of OH minus all divided by concentration of HCOO minus concentration of H2O is 1 unity. We already discussed in the initial stage. So you will get it, KH you will get it. Okay. Then you know that how to find out the remaining terms of. So one more thing, students. Keep in your mind, pH is equal to pH plus pOH is equal to 14. 14. pH is 7. pH is equal to 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. That also you can keep it in your mind. This much clear? Students, but one thing, students, HCOOH, suppose, I know little bit lengthy, but you will get the result. HCOH is going to dissociate. What happens? HCOO minus plus H plus. This is the dissociation. Okay, can you find out the Ka value? After these are basic forms of KH, hydrolysis form. KH. Here KH, tell me. Minus into concentration of H plus all divided by concentration of H, COO, H. This is Ka. Here lengthy actually. Then what do you want to do? You want to multiply KH into Ka. Multiply KH into Ka. What about the result? Tell me. Multiply KH into Ka equal to. If we multiply, what happens? These will cancel. These two are become cancelled, right? Then HCO minus this one will cancel. So what about the remaining? OH minus into H plus you will get. Did you ever seen this one? OH minus and H plus. At concentration after that you will get what? Ionic product of water. Kw. Are you getting my point? So KH into Ka you will get a Kw. This is our result. Okay, students. But with the help of Sanjana, what happened? Where I want to repeat? One more, students. One more. After this, K H equal to Kw divided by Ka. This is the important result. Okay. KH is equal to Kw divided by Ka. Sanjana, where is your problem? Tell me. Where I want to repeat? Hello, Sanjana. From KH. Okay, Sanjana. KH value. Okay. Here, KH, how you will find out KH? KH means ionic product of salt hydrolysis. Sorry. Degree of dissociation, dissociation constant of salt hydrolysis. That's why it's represented by KH. KH equal to product upon reactant. H2O is cancelled out. That's why you are in confusion. H2O is unity. This is cancelled. Then HCOH, OH minus, HCO minus. We can represent KH. Then again I am doing the acid given HCOH may be dissociated into HCO minus plus H plus format. After that you can find out Ka value. Ka value. So HCO minus H plus divided by HCOH. Next step, what do you want to do? You want to multiply KH given KH value and Ka value. So you will get, after cancelling out, you will get a result OH minus and H plus ion. This is similar to Kw. So you will get a relation KH into Ka equal to Kw. After that, you will get a new compound, new one, that the salt hydrolysis compound. This is our intention. Ka, Kw, everything we know in our previous section. This is our new thing. So what about the relation between Kw and Ka? KH is equal to Kw divided by Ka. KH equal to Kw divided by Ka. This is a very, very important result. Lot of questions you want to solve with the help of this thing. Now clear, Sanjana? Hello, Sanjana, clear or not? Just copied it and then yeah, clear. Now clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the result. What is this much derivation? Now not yet finished. Continuation. You can do one thing, na student. While study time, na, you want to go through the derivation. Okay, but exam time, just go through the equation. But before that, you want to study the derivation. Then only you can connect to the question. Okay. So this is the final result. KH is equal to KW divided by KA in the case of strong acid and strong base. Strong base, weak acid, right? Strong base plus weak acid category. Okay. Then next heading you can provide, that is we want to check the degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. We want to study degree of hydrolysis. Okay. Acid HCOO minus plus H2O. Right? This is the salt ion reacted with the water. Okay. So we will get what? HCOOH plus OH minus. Similarly, this is C. This is also C concentration. Here C alpha energy go through last time, but here we will CH. If H stands for salt hydrolysis. Degree of dissociation of salt hydrolysis stands for H. So how much dissociation? So here CH. Okay. That is equilibrium condition. Initial condition, both are 0, 0. Okay. Then in after that C minus CH. Here also C minus CH. Like this now. So here CH, CH. So tell me students, OH minus concentration is equal to CH. OH minus ion concentration is equal to CH. Hello? Shreya, mute. Okay, students. Then KW, OH minus concentration into H plus ion concentration. You already know the ionic product of water. Okay. So you will get OH minus ion from this H plus ion. Tell me. KW divided by OH. Okay. So OH means equal to CH. Okay. Then next time it's very easy, no? So you can find out. You can substitute. What? KH equal to. What about KH? Did you find it out? KH is equal to C square H squared upon C minus CH is whole square. Okay. Final result is CH square only, students. After you want to find out KH. Okay. So CH square is given to you. Okay. Then H is equal to CH square is equal to KH. So H square, sorry, C square H square, na? No. In the final result, CH square, na? Diagonal resistance is H square. So H square is equal to Kh upon C. So H equal to root of Kh upon C. Okay. I'm searching this result. This much clear. Okay. H square is equal to Kh divided by C. H is equal to root of Kh divided by C. That Kh want to substitute here. Why? Because we are searching the result of H. Kh you don't know, but Kw, Ka become provided in your question. So how we can rearrange? H is equal to, tell me, root of Kw divided by Ka into C. This is the result. So H is equal to Kw divided by Ka into C. Then tell me, our main intention pH finding, na? So H plus is waiting for you, students. Now you can apply. How? K H plus. How we will find out H plus ion concentration after substitution? H plus ion concentration equal to Kw Ka. Sorry. हाँ H plus ion concentration Kw into CH. Any other formula? Kw by okay. Kw CH. So after substituting, what happens? H plus ion concentration equal to, find out. Yes. So this is the final concentration of H plus equal to, tell me, root of Kw divided by, Kw Ka whole divided by C. This is the final result. Okay. H plus equal to root of Kw Ka divided by Kw Ka C. With the help of H plus ion, we will get the pH.
Ma'am, board is not visible left side.
Here, the final equation I will write. Okay, final equation now. H plus ion you will find out right now. H plus very important, note down. Without derivation, you want to know the equation at least. Kw Ka whole divided by C. These are the final results. This is important. H value important. This is also another H value. Yes, H type, H plus type, you want to memorize. This is very important. Kw Ka upon C. Then easy na. Direct equation you can point. Minus log of H plus ion, we will get pH value. Can I rub the board? Students? Because it is derivation type now. That's why. Okay. So two results we got it. Strong acid, strong base, no hydrolysis. Weak acid, strong base, H plus concentration value is equal to under root of Ka, the Kw whole divided by C, divided by concentration. KH also very important. That results are very important. KH. Now another one. Which one? Strong acid plus yeast. Can you follow the same procedure? I will help you with an example, but you want to follow me. Okay. Weak base is strong acid. Give an example. Strong acid is HCl, of course. Then weak base is ammonium hydroxide. NH4 OH. Suppose NH4 OH is the equation. Same procedure. Do it. Do it. Whatever we did last question, same thing, but only HCl NaOH difference only. Just copy it. Then it will helpful for you. So what happens? NH4Cl becomes formed. Then what about the next step, student? Huh? Yes, good, good. You want to tell me, okay? NH4Cl should be reacted with the water. You form what? What are the ions? Okay? NH4 plus ions should be there, Cl minus there, H plus is there, OH minus ion should be there. Follow me, same procedure. Follow the same procedure, okay, whatever we did. Then tell me what happened in the next step. Yeah, NH4 plus should be reacted with the OH minus form what? NH4OH. Is it possible the dissociation? NH4OH. Because 95% become dissociated, only 5% will re-dissociate. That's why this is suitable. This is suitable for hydrolysis. Because this is a weak in nature. Ammonia is a weak in nature. That's why. Then next one is equation for hydrolysis. What do you want to do? Ammonium hydroxide NH4 plus ion reacted with the H2O. What happens? It will NH4 OH plus H plus become formed. So what type of solution is this, student? Acidic in nature. Why acidic? Presence of H plus. Acidic solution is created. Same last one it was basic, but here strong acid time the solution is acidic in nature. Okay. The next procedure. pH you want to find out, right? Okay, before that we have what? NH4 plus H2O is dissociated with NH4 OH plus H plus form. Okay. Then you can find out the KH value because you want to add here C, here C minus CH, C minus CH. After that you will get a KH value. Tell me KH equal to. KH, find out KH. KH tell me na. Sorry. What I did? CH. Here C minus CH. Tell me. C squared H squared upon C minus CH. After neglecting everything, you will get a common result. Tell me, KH equal to. Very good. CKH is equal to CH square. Got it. You have confusion? Then tell me student, H value, H is equal to root root KH divided by C. Very good. Next one, NH4 OH. NH4 OH you want to dissociate NH4 plus OH minus form. So in that Kb you want to find out, right? So Kb equal to, tell me, concentration of NH4 plus in bracket OH minus whole divided by concentration of NH4 OH. Okay, next step what? Very good. KH into KB you want to multiply. So some terms will cancel out. Correct. What are the result? Concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus become remaining. That is equal to KW. So KH, tell me. Yeah, that much only, but this is everything. This is a suspense for you. In the beginning, I will tell you, math students, no need to derive. Very easy. Instead of okay, you will never read the lifetime. That's it. But you want to know now how it applies. Tell me, students. So here, KH is equal to KW divided by KB. pH. Now we can find out pH. What about the pH? Concentration of H plus E is equal to CH na? From the equation CH. Where is that? Yeah. Concentration of H plus E is equal to CH. Then find out remaining. So C equal to any complication you can look now KWC under root KW into KBC ratio you will get na KW into C upon KB. In another one, H plus is equal to KW by no. Yeah. Okay. So this is the final answer. KW root KW C divided by KB. Very, very important. Any wrong? Confusion? What about your result? AB divided by C. Okay. So that C will go up now. So KWC divided by KB. We can say like that. KW, KB all divided by C. You got the result. KW into KB divided by C. This is your result. Wait a second. That OH concentration na, here H plus concentration na, so it will change na. Do it the change? Correct it? So H plus equal to simple only man. Here CH you got it na. So C into H value. What about the H? Root is, so C into, you want to substitute like that. So constant, where is that? This is the problem. This much only is correct now your CH you got it. So C into H root of KH upon C. Likewise, you want to substitute. So which is equal to H plus ion concentration. Direct you will get na H plus ion. Okay. That is OH. So we want to convert it into H plus. Here you will directly you will get H plus. Okay, so you got what H plus ion got C root. Okay, then you can substitute. Na? How? KW former. K is equal to what student? Substitute here. K is equal to what? KW. Yeah, do it. C into KW divided by KB into C under root of. Right? Okay, then what you will have? Then this is outer root na. So this one will cancel. So one root. Root C into root C na. See? C is equal to root C into root C. So we can split here like this. Root C into root C. So this root C will cancel out. So one root C will come. So what about the final result? Yeah. Final result becomes, we can't substitute man directly because in that case OH minus, in this case H plus. So we can't, so that's why suggesting you the derivation. So in final what happened? K root of, tell me. Okay. This is the H plus ion concentration of strong acid weak. Okay. Once again, we can tabulate the entire result. Tell me. Strong acid plus strong base, weak acid plus strong base, weak, strong acid plus weak base. Result we can consolidate here. Tell me once again, H plus concentration at least. Good. There is no nothing. Nil. No. Here, tell me the result. H plus ion concentration equal to into, right. KW, okay, right? I am also in confused. Like this. Second one. Tell me. Weak acid, strong base, root of KW, K divided by C. After that, KW, C, na? Then weak acid, weak base, no need to find out this kind of derivation, I will tell you directly. But anyway, this much clear now? What are the change? KW here, Ka upside. So C downside. Here C upside. KB downside. Strong acid, weak base case. Okay. Weak acid, weak base na? Weak acid. We can discuss afterwards, after break. Okay. This much study it properly. Okay, students, take a break. After that, return back sharp 4:30. Okay, bye.